स्टोरी चालू करू का? Long, long ago, there was a king called Ashwapati. He had a daughter. Her name is Savitri. Savitri grew into a beautiful girl. One day, her father said to her, "You choose your husband." Savitri, go into the jungle and see the young man cutting firewood. She asked, his name is Satyavan. Savitri asked him, "You take marry with me." Satyavan told, so he recognized, but Satyavan told her, "I do not take marriage with you because my parent is blind. My kingdom is and go. Uh, you are the kingdom's girl." She asked him after then, असं तुला डिटेल सगळं